cheese. Like macaroni and cheese.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, first winter storm. Sleigh ride in 2012.
No.
Hey, look, somebody's skiing. Hey, look, guys, somebody's skiing in the park. Cross country skiing. Isn't that cool?